Hi, welcome to another tutorial from How To's. So today we will be tracking our missing Android phones. So our Android phone devices is actually trackable if we have the access to the accounts which has signed in to the Android phone. And of course the devices need to be connected to the internet. So to track your lost Android phones, you will need to have these three items. So you do not need to have any special software or application installed on the phone. All you need is just a browser. Next, go to google.com, do a search for Find My Android. Next, load up the first result of the search, which is Find My Device from google.com. You can also use the link on the video's description. Next, you will need to log into the Google account which is logged into the phone that you want to track. So once we are logged in, Google will show the map of the phone. We can zoom in to see the exact location of the phone. So you can also use different functions on the phone, such as play sound on the phone, or you can secure the device by locking the device and signing out your Google account, or you can erase all content from the device. So I hope that the video has been helpful. Thank you and have a nice day.